Welcome to Mitsubishi Electric Australia's product video series. In this video, we'll be covering the SEZ-M Series Compact Bulkhead air conditioners. The SEZ-M Series Compact Bulkhead units are a ceiling concealed ducted unit, which has 3 chassis sizes to cover the 5 capacity classes. The 3 chassis sizes all have a height of just 200mm, allowing them to be installed in most ceiling spaces. Being concealed in the ceiling, the SEZ units can be very discreet, with only the supply and return air grills visible inside the living environment. Accompanying the indoor units are the Mr. Slim SEZ-M Series outdoor units, with just 3 chassis sizes to cover the 5 capacity classes. The SEZ-M Series indoor units operate in a remarkably quiet fashion, as low as just 23 decibels for the 25 and 35 capacity classes in both heating and cooling mode. These noise levels are measured in an anechoic room with 3 meters of duct and measured at a point just 1.5 meters below a fully exposed indoor unit, for accuracy and reliability of testing. The indoor unit runs a DC fan with 5 selectable fan speeds, including auto fan speed. The SEZ series can also be set to an auto mode, which, when activated, can automatically switch the unit from cooling to heating modes and vice versa, allowing the unit to maintain a desired set point within 2 degrees. This function is particularly useful in seasons of autumn and spring, where temperatures can easily swing both above and below a desired comfortable set point. The SEZ-M Series outdoor units utilize R32 refrigerant, which is just 1/3 the global warming potential of the previous R410A models. It is also fitted with a DC inverter-driven compressor to increase its efficiency when compared with a conventional non-inverter system. The SEZ series outdoor units have a guaranteed operating range in ambient conditions of -5 to 52 degrees for the 25 to 71 capacity classes while in cooling mode. In heating mode, the 25 and 35 capacity classes are guaranteed to operate between -10 and 24 degrees Celsius, while the 50 to 71 capacity classes will operate down to -15 degrees and up to 24 degrees, ensuring your air conditioner will operate when you want it to the most. To help prevent corrosion, the outdoor unit has a bluefin anti-corrosion treatment applied to its condenser coil. The SEZ series has an optional Wi-Fi interface available, allowing you to control your air conditioner from your phone, tablet, or online account, provided that you have an active internet connection. The Wi-Fi interface plugs into the CN105 terminal on the indoor control board. 1 Wi-Fi interface is required per indoor unit. However, multiple Wi-Fi interfaces can be registered and controlled from a single account, allowing you to control all of your air conditioners from one convenient app. The Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi app is also compatible with the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant systems. This can allow voice control of your air conditioner through these devices. The Plasma Quad Connect is an optional high-performance filter that is fitted into the back of the SEZ series indoor units. Connecting this optional filter also requires the addition of a filter box. The Plasma Quad Connect operates in 2 stages. In stage 1, 6,000 volts are utilized to generate plasma, which in turn breaks down allergens, mold, and inhibits viruses, whilst giving the dirt and dust particles a positive charge. In stage 2, a strong magnetic field is generated to attract the positively charged particles, significantly reducing the amount of airborne contaminants passing through your air conditioner. This process is capable of reducing airborne bacteria, dust, mold, PM2.5 particles, viruses, and airborne allergens. Key points of the SEZ series compact bulkhead units. All units come with a 5-year warranty for both domestic and commercial installations, quiet operation, a DC fan, auto operation, a DC inverter-driven compressor at the heart of the system, bluefin anti-corrosion treatment applied to the outdoor heat exchanger, a guaranteed operating range from ambient temperatures -10 to 52 degrees for the 25 and 35 capacity class and -15 to 52 degrees for the 50 to 71 capacity classes, as well as Mitsubishi Electric's quality assurance, that every single unit is tested before it leaves our factory. That's our commitment to quality.